Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Manufacturing Strong. I am delighted to have Chris Bade, who's the VP of Field Service and Customer Support from Analogic Corporation, with me today. Chris, first of all, thank you for being on the episode.
Really happy to be here.
Chris, I know you're working on a bunch of service initiatives to improve the way that you're really working and managing, your relationships with customers. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're doing there?
Sure. We're driving changes in people, process, and technology to be able to scale our service area with the business growth that we see in the two major segments of growth that we have going on, which are in the medical imaging and in this aviation security imaging markets. And so in particular, we've got some three technology projects ongoing that we think will make a big difference in our ability to perform to the customer's expectations, scale the business, and give us the information we need to stay that way. So one of the projects is secure portals, where there's be self-service capabilities for our customers to track RMAs, parts orders. We also have a whole new service platform we're putting into place, which will allow us connectivity to our customers and eventually connectivity to our products. And we're also experimenting with bots to automate some of the more rote administrative tasks within our customer support function.
So, Chris, what are some of the key trends that you're seeing that really help drive your thinking around where you want to go with these initiatives?
Well, I think there's a general expectation now that people have, both our employees and our customers, that information is going to be available at their fingertips, whether that's on a mobile device or a laptop or whatever. And so part of what we're doing is expediting the availability of that information, trying to turn it into actually actionable information, and shorten the cycle time for response, and meet our SLAs, exceed our SLAs, and improve our productivity.
Final question for you, Chris. On a lighter note, anything that you're looking forward to doing here moving forward that you haven't had a chance to in the last couple of months?
Yes, I'm very much looking forward to having a nice evening out with friends at a restaurant without wearing a mask, and I hope that's in our future.
I do too. Chris, thank you so much for being on the episode.
You're welcome.